Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to give you Nepenthes burbidgeae little video. It is looking really good today. And yeah, so I thought I'd do a little video on it. It's becoming quite a good size. It's probably, I don't know, 30 inches across by the time you're all said and done. 24 inches across anyways. And it's looking really good. It is hanging down below you guys actually, well away from the light, and it seems to have really taken to that spot and really loves it. So it has an older picture here, not a bad size, and a nice picture right here, not a bad size, really quite colorful. And yeah, so what can I tell you about this plant here? It is it's still in it. The same pot it's been in for a couple of years. It's probably due for a repot. It grows in sphagnum moss, perlite, and some orchid bark. I think I'm going to give it another year in this pot. It is on an auto dripper system, so in the summertime it gets watered like every second day, and in the wintertime it gets watered like once to twice a week, just so the media is nice and moist. It's consistently moist enough that ferns are starting to grow out of it, stuff like that. There's little bits of moss on the bottom of the pot here, kind of grown out of the holes. Oops, took it off, but that's okay. Don't really need it there anyways. But yeah, with the lower light conditions, I found it really did a good leaf jump, or some leaf jumps on me in the last year, and become quite a nice size plant. As for temperatures, in the summertime it gets to about 30 Celsius in here, and then in the winter times, the winter lows are probably, I don't know, closer to 12 Celsius, so that's going to be like 55 Fahrenheit probably. Excuse the bright light blinding us back there. That light is just, it's dark outside. It's nice I finally have some lights in here that aren't a blurple color, so I can film at night, because that's really the only times I have to film these days. But yeah, I really just wanted to share this Nepenthes burbidgeae with you. And so I do find this clone here doesn't like a whole lot of light at all. I'm just going to hang that down there. I have another one of the same clone, and it's a little bit younger plant, but it's growing closer to the light, and you can see the red on the leaves. And I find they just don't do quite as good. I don't like them with the red on the leaves. It does have a nice picture to it, not quite as big as the other one. This is sort of your standard, like, getting to be a specimen type plant, but not quite. And then, yeah, but this one is just, this winter has just taken off, produced these two beautiful pictures, and then it's got the third on its way, and the tendril is actually starting to just swell on this one here as well. So we got 4 pictures in the works for this plant. And yeah, it just never really gets shown in videos all that much, but it's definitely worth showing today. So what else can I tell you about it? Nothing really. I mean, it's definitely, I tried growing it warm for a while because I've had this so many years. I've been able to try a few different things with it. It is sort of classed as an intermediate highland plant, but I tried growing it warm to see if I could get some better growth out of it. And honestly, it did okay for a couple months, but then started to struggle. And after about 6 months, I brought it back over to the highland side, which in the summertime is still only has nighttime lows of 16, 17 degrees, but winter about 12 degrees. So anyways, yes, that is my Nepenthes burbidgeae. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.